Looking for the best cable ties that are actually worth your money? Today, I've picked the top 5 best cable ties that are available in the market right now based on quality, performance, and customer reviews. You can find the latest prices and product links in the description below. Let's get started. Starting with our first pick, Rink cable ties. These reusable premium silicone bands are a surprisingly versatile everyday accessory that helps reduce clutter and single-use waste. Made from soft, flexible silicone, they stretch easily while maintaining a secure grip, making them ideal for sealing snack bags, organizing charging cables, bundling small household items, or even serving as comfortable hair ties without pulling or damaging hair. The two adjustable length options provide a better fit for different tasks, while their lightweight design makes them easy to carry in a pocket, purse, or kitchen drawer. With 5 modern colors and multiple bands included, it's simple to color code items for better organization. Their durable, washable construction ensures they can be reused countless times, offering long-term value and convenience. Whether at home, in the office, or on the go, these multifunctional silicone bands are a practical, eco-friendly solution that combines flexibility, durability, and everyday usefulness. Next up is Coupe cable ties. These upgraded universal nylon zip tie fasteners are a practical and dependable alternative to traditional automotive clips and screws, making quick repairs easier than ever. Designed to secure bumper covers, fender liners, splash shields, trunk panels, and other vehicle components, they feature a convenient one-click self-locking system with dual-sided grooves that provide a firm, vibration-resistant hold without requiring any tools. Constructed from high-strength nylon, these fasteners resist heat, moisture, UV exposure, and everyday wear, ensuring reliable performance in demanding outdoor conditions. Despite their compact size, they offer an impressive 30 pounds load capacity, making them suitable for both emergency roadside fixes and routine maintenance. Their trimmable design also extends their usefulness beyond automotive applications, helping organize cables, secure equipment, or handle DIY projects around the home or workshop. Lightweight, portable, and highly versatile, these durable zip tie fasteners are an essential addition to any vehicle emergency kit or toolbox. Coming in at number 3 is Zangnier cable ties. These universal nylon cable tie fasteners provide a smart, time-saving alternative to traditional automotive clips, offering broad compatibility with over 99% of cars, trucks, and motorcycles. Unlike standard retainers that often require model-specific parts and specialized tools, these innovative fasteners install effortlessly with a one-touch self-locking mechanism, making emergency repairs and routine maintenance much more convenient. The integrated one-way locking system delivers exceptional holding power, preventing loosening or slipping even when exposed to road vibration, ensuring bumpers, splash shields, fender liners, and other vehicle components remain securely in place. Constructed from durable, high-strength nylon, they are built to withstand everyday wear and demanding outdoor conditions while providing reliable long-term performance. Beyond automotive repairs, they are equally useful for organizing cables, securing equipment, and handling various DIY tasks around the home or workshop. Compact, versatile, and incredibly easy to use, these cable tie fasteners are an essential addition to any toolbox or roadside emergency kit. Now number 4, Clipper cable ties. These universal nylon zip tie fasteners are a reliable and cost-effective solution for replacing worn or missing automotive clips, offering exceptional versatility for both vehicle repairs and everyday organization. Designed to fit most cars, they securely hold bumpers, fenders, splash shields, underbody panels, and other components while replacing the majority of traditional screws and plastic retainers. Installation is fast and completely tool-free. Simply insert, tighten, and trim the excess for a clean, professional-looking result. The one-way locking mechanism provides a firm, slip-resistant grip that stays secure even under vibration and constant road use. Manufactured from premium high-strength nylon, these fasteners resist heat, UV exposure, automotive chemicals, and aging far better than ordinary plastic clips, ensuring dependable long-term durability. The included reusable storage box keeps all 150 pieces neatly organized and easy to carry, making this kit an excellent addition to any garage, workshop, or vehicle emergency kit for quick, dependable repairs whenever needed. And finally, our last pick is Fixology supply cable ties. These screw-mounted cable tie bases offer a far more secure and permanent cable management solution than adhesive-backed alternatives, making them ideal for both professional installations and home organization projects. By using included, perfectly matched screws, the bases stay firmly anchored without peeling away over time, even in environments with heat, humidity, or constant vibration. Made from premium polymer materials, they provide exceptional durability and create a strong attachment point for organizing electrical wiring, network cables, automotive harnesses, holiday decorations, and workshop setups. Installation is quick and straightforward, allowing you to bundle and secure cables neatly for a cleaner, safer, and more professional appearance while eliminating tangled wire clutter. The included screws remove any guesswork by ensuring a perfect fit right out of the box, saving both time and frustration. Backed by a lifetime satisfaction guarantee, these cable tie mounts deliver dependable long-term performance, making them an excellent investment for anyone seeking reliable, organized, and maintenance-free cable management. So those were the top 5 best cable ties you can buy right now. If this video helped you make a better buying decision, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest reviews. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching.